It's Dwayne with Modders Inc., and I'd like to welcome you to the 2018 Staff versus Staff contest. What we try and do every year is that we get within ourselves and we try and do a mod off between each other, try to come up with who can do the creative and best case mod. And we typically pick a theme. This year it's going to be id and Bethesda, so it can be anything about any of the games, the company itself, or just anything that's based off of either id software or Bethesda. Fractal, actually they started this year all off. They're like, hey, you guys doing your case mod contest? We're like, yeah, we are. They're like, hey, do you need some cases? We're like, yeah, we do. So they gave us a Define R6 case. Perfect for what we needed, right? It's a mid-sized case. It's pretty much a blank canvas, which of course most modders like. It's got a glass side on one side, it's got a flat panel on the other side, pretty much flat black everywhere else. Or, I mean, it's got all this stuff. Going to be great. Thank you guys from Fractal. We're going to see you at QuakeCon too. They are one of the sponsors at QuakeCon. Got a hold of EVGA and boom! Man, did they join in? Oh my gosh, EVGA kicked in big time. They gave us all a power supply. They gave us all a GPU. They gave us all a motherboard. Then we were able to get other stuff. So we got the power sleeving kits that are already pre-done over there. Power combs. Got the riser ribbon for the video cards. I mean, pretty much whatever we wanted, they were able to give it to us. Thank you guys. Awesome. So again, this is going to be our 2018 Staff versus Staff case mod off.
Thanks for your support. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. Try and get that subscribers up. Try to generate a little bit of money, a little bit of stuff there, so we can continue to do the stuff that we do for you guys.